Hi, Mr. O'Shaw from Daft Apple Games here. I'm here to show you the new level editor in my retro-inspired breakout clone Retro Racket Revolution, in particular the new level sharing feature. We start by opening up the game and heading into the level editor. The level editor consists of two main areas. You have the brick grid on the left that shows you a visual representation of how the bricks will appear in the game, and on the right a control panel to allow you to change the various attributes of the bricks in your level design. The stamp panel lets you decide what attributes of a brick are set when you click it. So if everything's unchecked, nothing changes. If everything's checked, the attributes of the brick when clicked will reflect your choices in this brick panel. So the brick panel allows you to select which type of brick, be it double strong, normal, triple strong, invincible, one of the three disruptors. You can pick which power-up bonus is released when the brick is destroyed, and you can use this isEmpty box to effectively clear a brick in the brick grid. You can pick the color of the brick to stamp in here, and combined, these two panels let you design your level. The level itself can be configured in this panel here. So you have an attribute for the maximum number of enemies on screen at any one time, and the minimum time in seconds and the maximum time in seconds between enemy spawns. You can pick the background from any one of the listed background tiles, and we can give the level a file name and a description that will appear when we start the level. So let's design ourselves a level. So we've got a normal brick selected, no bonus, blue color. We can start creating a little rainbow level here. So let's do that, and we'll pick some yellow just to add a bit of color, and then let's put a couple of disruptors in here as well for effect. Okay, what I tend to do is I do my brick designs first. So let's put some double strong in there as well. So these will take 2 hits, and we'll stick an invincible brick or 2 in for good measure. These tend to add challenge to the game, and are good for setting up little puzzles for your players. So we have our level set up. You can see that the bricks show us the health of the brick in the bottom left, 2 hits, 1 hit, 0 is an empty square, and infinity is a invincible brick. And we can now, what I tend to do is uncheck these now and set up my bonuses. So I can now click multi-ball, so this will release a 3-ball split power up when the brick is destroyed, and I can go around and add my power-ups to my level design. I can also pick random, which will release a random icon power-up that, when collected, spawns another random power-up for the player to collect. That could be any one of the available bonus power-ups. So we have our level designed. What we could do now is save this locally and go back to the main menu, play the game, select custom, and we can play this level. If you would like to share this level, either with friends, or if you are that confident that you have created a masterpiece, you can share it on a Discord server or post it into the itch comments below my game for others to see. And then you can do that with a share button down here. So clicking share presents this dialog. Enter your name so that you can be attributed for your hard work, and clicking code. This will generate a unique string and copy it automatically into your clipboard that can be shared by any means on a forum, Discord, email, anywhere you can paste a piece of text, you can share this. So if we now go back, and we'll go back to the main menu, notice we haven't saved anything at this point. Then if we imagine that we've picked up that code from somewhere, we'd like to play this level, and we click the share button, we can now paste that encoded string that we picked up here and click add, and it will recreate the level in our level editor exactly as we had it when we generated the code. So if we like this and we want to play it and save it in our game, we can now give it a name. Custom levels are loaded in alphabetical order. So if we give it this prefix, we'll make sure that it's loaded first. So we can now save this because we like it so much. Back into the main menu, start a normal game and select custom. And there we go. We can now play the level that was shared with us, and we can share the level designs that we create ourselves with others using that string mechanism. That's it for me. That's all I wanted to show you today. I would love to see some level designs shared on my H page, so please do paste your codes there, and the best levels that I find I'll also incorporate into the main game to be installed by default, to be played by all players. So please do share your creations. That's it from me until next time. Thanks for watching, and take care.